Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Electro-Pneumatic Components and it is part 1. We will discuss some basic components which is used in the electro-pneumatic system. First, we have push button switches. So what is push button? So a push button is a switch used to open or close a electrical connection or a circuit. So it basically stops or redirects the flow of electron. We have push button in pure pneumatic systems, but the difference is that in pure pneumatic system the working medium was the airflow, but in here the medium is the flow of electron or electricity. So push button is usually used for starting or stopping the machine, or it can manually override some process. There are two types of push button. So one is the momentary push button. It will return to the original position if we remove the force of our finger. Another one is maintained or detained push button. It is like a switch. If we push it on, it will stay on. And if we close it, then it will stay off. So these are the types of contact in push buttons. So we have normally open, normally closed, and change over. Normally open means it is a open circuit, and if we push the button, then the circuit will close and electron will flow. Normally closed means in the unactuated position there will be electricity or flow of electron, and if we actuate that, then the flow of electron will be stopped or it will be a open circuit. And changeover means the direction of electron flow will change. It will go to some other lines. Here I have some designations of the push button. This part is not that very important, but it is good to have an idea. So here you can see the first digit is 1. It is for the serial number. If you have multiple push buttons, here we have 4 push buttons, then the first digit can be used for numbering. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second digit is for ordering. So here you can see 3 to 4. So the electricity flow will go from up to down. And here the first two push buttons are normally open. If we press this side, then it will close. So these are normally open. And the last two is normally closed type. If we push to this side, then it will be open. So these are normally closed. And this symbol represents momentary contact type. And this symbol represents maintained contact type. Here you can see a little dent. It means that it will stay on. We have this symbol in the fluid sim software. I am going to show you that also. Now, this is very important. This is the cross-sectional picture of a actual push button, the inner working of a push button. So first, we have normally open type. So this is the unactuated position. So if someone presses here, then this gap will get connected. So electric flow can go here. And this is the symbol for the normally open type. Next, we have normally closed type. So this is the unactuated position. Here, in the normal position, the electron can flow. We have electric signal. But in the actuated position, if someone presses the push button, then it will become open and the flow of electron will stop. No electricity will be there. And this is the symbol for the normally closed type. And finally, we have changeover type. So we have a main line. So this is 1, this is suppose 2, and this is 4. In the initial position, 1 and 2 is connected. Here you can see 1 and 2 is connected and 1 and 4 is open. So in the actuated position, 1 and 4 will be connected and 1 and 2 will be open. So it's very simple. I hope you got the basic idea. Now let's show you to the fluid sim. So in the fluid sim software, in the library menu, you go to the electrical control section. Here you can see switches and contacts. Now manually operated. Here you can see push button, data and switches. Let me give you a better look. So these are all the types I discussed earlier. Let me go through them one by one. So let's simulate. The first one is the normally open push button. If we click here, see, it closes the connection, then immediately opens the connection. So it's normally open. Next, we have detent type. It's normally open. If we click it, then it will stay on the closed position. If we click again, the circuit will open. Next, we have normally closed type. The electricity is flowing in the initial position. If we click it, it opens, then immediately closes. Similar version of the detent type, permanent open, permanent close. And this is the makeover. So initially 1 and 2 is connected. Clicking here, 1 and 4 is connected permanently because this is the detent type. Next, we have the makeover push button, which is of momentary connection. Clicking here, 1 and 4 connects momentarily, then 1 and 2 connects immediately. So these are all the push button which is used in the electro-pneumatic system. Soon we will see some practical examples, then everything will be clear to you. That's all. Allah Hafiz.